Okay, I'm gonna do a little unboxing video of the BlackBox-C Land Cruiser Edition transfer case, reduction doubler basically, for the FJ60 and 80. I've got the one for the 80, and I've got the 27 spline Chevy input on mine. I've also got both the thrust washers. So we'll do the unboxing now. Here's my 80 here, and here's my transfer case, which we'll be bolting the black box onto. So here's some instructions it comes with. Here's the actual black box itself. It's like maybe 50 pounds. Not super heavy, but not light. Well packaged. This is the input shaft. Ooh, look at the input shaft. It's got their logo on it. Damn, look at that engraving. Land Cruiser. Pretty sweet.
Do you think in Canada they have Land Cruiser A-Ds? Get it? Because A? Do you get it?
Yeah, dude, they probably do. They probably definitely have that. Does this go there, or where's? Oh, that goes into the transmission, huh? And then what? That goes.
Whoa.
This goes in here. No. Huh. Oh, this might just be the shifter. Sweet. So that's the shifter mechanism. That's the shift knob, I guess.
Yo, that's stainless.
Sick, man. Pretty cool. So that's unboxing of the BlackBox Land Cruiser Edition. Alright, so we're just stupid and we didn't figure it out, but basically what you have to do is disassemble your 80 transfer case and remove this input, and then this whole sucker is going to go in there and replace it. So that was the issue that we were just dealing with. So we're going to get going on that, and it should be no problem, right?
Yeah. So I think this all needs to get pulled off. These little bearings need to get reseated, and then we got to put a little fucking spline shaft. So this has got to, I think, go just like that.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so I got the cover off, and yep, it was filled with just paper, probably to keep this stuff from rattling. As you can see, oh, that's the mechanism to